Welcome to English Amharic 101. In this video, we're going to see very basic Amharic words and phrases. So the first one is yet, no. Yet, no. Yet, no. Yet, no. Where is it? Where is it? Yet, no. የምናገኘው yet, no. የምናገኘው የት ነው የምናገኘው? Where do we find it? Where do we find it? ደብዳቤ ደብዳቤ a letter a letter ደብዳቤ እየጻፍኩ ነው ደብዳቤ እየጻፍኩ ነው ደብዳቤ እየጻፍኩ ነው I'm writing a letter. I'm writing a letter. ጠብቀኝ 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 Wait for me. Wait for me. So, if you see the letter K right here, the letter K indicates that you're talking to a male. ጠብቀኝ. This K right here, the letter K indicates that you're talking to a male. ጠብቂኝ. 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 Wait for me. Wait for me. So this letter K, indicates that you're talking to a female. ጠብቂኝ. But right here, the letter K indicates that you're talking to a male. Okay. ውሃ ውሃ water water እባክህ እባክህ please please so this letter H indicates that you're talking to a male. H እባክህ so H indicates that you're talking to a male. እባክሽ 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 please please so this letter sh indicates that you're talking to a female. እባክህ ውሃ አምጣልኝ እባክህ ውሃ አምጣልኝ እባክህ ውሃ አምጣልኝ እባክህ ውሃ አምጣልኝ please bring me water. Please bring me water. So like I said, this letter right here indicates that you're talking to a male. እባክሽ ውሃ አምጪልኝ። እባክሽ ውሃ አምጪልኝ። እባክሽ ውሃ አምጪልኝ። Please bring me water. Please bring me water. So this letter over here indicates that you're talking to a female. ለአስር ደቂቃዎች ለአስር ደቂቃዎች ለአስር ደቂቃዎች for 10 minutes. ለ is 4. አስር is 10. ደቂቃዎች is minutes. ለአስር ደቂቃዎች መጠበቅ አለብህ። ለአስር ደቂቃዎች መጠበቅ አለብህ። ለአስር ደቂቃዎች መጠበቅ አለብህ. You have to wait for 10 minutes. You have to wait for 10 minutes. So this letter H indicates that you're talking to a male. አለብህ አለብህ. It indicates that you're talking to a male. ለአስር ደቂቃዎች መጠበቅ አለብሽ። ለአስር ደቂቃዎች መጠበቅ አለብሽ። ለአስር ደቂቃዎች መጠበቅ አለብሽ. You have to wait for 10 minutes. So this letter sh indicates that you're talking to a female. አለብሽ አለብሽ. It indicates that you're talking to a female. የት እየሄድክ ነው? የት እየሄድክ ነው? የት እየሄድክ ነው? የት እየሄድክ ነው? Where are you going? Where are you going? So this letter k indicates that you're talking to a male. K indicates that you're talking to a male. የት እየሄድሽ ነው? የት እየሄድሽ ነው? የት እየሄድሽ ነው? So this letter sh indicates that you're talking to a female. sh እየሄድሽ. But when you're talking to a guy, it is k. የት እየሄድክ. If you're talking to a female, it's gonna be እየሄድሽ. So let's see. ስራ እየሄድኩ ነው። ስራ እየሄድኩ ነው። I'm going to work. I'm going to work. ስራ is work. እየሄድኩ means I'm going. So ስራ እየሄድኩ ነው. I'm going to work. ትምህርት ቤት እየሄድኩ ነው። ትምህርት ቤት እየሄድኩ ነው። I'm going to school. I'm going to school. ትምህርት ቤት over here means school. So Literally, it means ትምህርት means education. ቤት means house. So education house. ምሳ እየበላሁ ነው። ምሳ እየበላሁ ነው። I'm eating lunch. I'm eating lunch. Over here, ምሳ means lunch. ምሳ means lunch. If you were talking about breakfast, it would be ቁርስ. ቁርስ. If you were talking about having dinner, you'd say እራት. እራት is dinner. And then if you are talking about eating some sort of a snack, you'd say መክሰስ. ጥሩ ተማሪ ነው። ጥሩ ተማሪ ነው። ጥሩ ተማሪ ነው. He's a good student. He's a good student. ጥሩ አስተማሪ ነው። ጥሩ አስተማሪ ነው. ጥሩ አስተማሪ ነው. ጥሩ አስተማሪ ነው. He's a good teacher. He's a good teacher. እነሱ እነሱ they እነሱ እዚህ ናቸው. They're here. They're here. እነሱ they እዚህ here ናቸው. They're here. እነሱ እዚህ ናቸው. እሱ እዚህ ነው. He's here. He's here. እሷ እዚህ ናት. እሷ she እዚህ here not she is she's here. እኔ እዚህ ነኝ. እኔ እዚህ ነኝ. I'm here. I'm here. All right, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.